guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I want to wish everyone a happy new week and I hope you all are doing great. This is the second week of this ad cycle, and if you've not used some of the coupons we had last week, some of them are still valid. You can use them again this week. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is on Colgate Total Mouthwash. They are part of Spend 12 Get $5 back and it's priced at $6.29. Pick up 2 for a total of $12.58. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will work on the mouthwash or the toothbrushes. And you will pay $8.58, get 5 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. If you prefer the toothpaste, the 5.1 ounce are included in this deal and they are priced at $6.29 each. Pick up 2 for a total of $12.58. We have a different 4 off 2 coupon that is attaching to just the toothpaste. That will drop it down to $8.58. You get 5 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. My next deal is spend 20 get $10 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, facial care, body wash, men's shave products, and I have 2 options for this deal. My first option is to pick up Nivea Skin Feminine Lotion priced at $14.49 and 1 Nivea Men Body Wash priced at $5.99. These 2 will total $20.48. Check your app. We have a $2 coupon that is attaching to the lotion and it will drop it down to $18.48 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back for the Nivea lotion, making them just $6.28 or $3.24 each. My second option is to pick up 3 Nivea Men Shave Gel priced at $6.59 each. And the 3 will total $19.78 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your $10 back. Pay $19.78 and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.25 back on each one. That means you get back $3.75 from Ibotta, making them $6.02 or $2 each. The next deal I have is on Olay body wash and they are part of buy 2 get $6 back. Pick up 2 priced at $9.29 each. Both will total $18.58. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that you cannot use with this deal because you're only picking up 2, but I'm still going to show you how to use it and you will still get them the same price. Pay $18.58 and you get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back when you buy 2. And that will make them $8.58 or $4.29 each. Or you can pick up 3 Olay body washes at $9.29 each. The 3 will total $27.87. Use a 5 off 3 digital coupon and you pay $22.87. Get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back when you buy 2. That will end up making them $12.87 or $4.29 each. Both Olay scenarios I shared still came out the same price per bottle. The only difference you will have is the subtotal you pay before you get your extra care box and the Ibotta rebate. The next deal I have is buy 2 CoverGirl cosmetics, you get $6 back. Pick up 1 CoverGirl cheek blush priced at $6.79 and 1 CoverGirl twin brow pencil priced at $6.29. These 2 will total $13.08. Use the $4 off CoverGirl digital coupon and you pay $9.08, get 6 back, making them $3.08 or $1.54 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on St. Ives, Noxzema, Pond's Facial Care, St. Ives Body Wash and Caress Body Wash. I have 3 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1. The first option I have is to pick up 2 St. Ives Facial Care priced at $6.49 each. And both will total $12.98. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. And the second option is to pick up 2 St. Ives body wash priced at $6.49 each. Both will total $12.98. Pay the $12.98 and you get 5 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. The third option I have is to pick up 2 Caress body wash priced at $7.99 each. Both will total $15.98. Pay the $15.98 and you get 5 back, making them $10.98 or $5.49 each. Peach Slices Acne Care products are on the deal of spend 10 get 3 back. Pick up 2 30-count acne patches priced at $4.99 each and the 2 will total $9.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay $9.98 and you get 3 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. But if your store do not follow the 98% rule, pick up 1 7-count nose pore patches priced at $11.99. Pay the $11.99 and get 3 back, making it just $8.99. Next items I have are not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the Bod Beats face and eye mask. Some of them are on sale for 5 for $10. Pick up 5, pay $10, and that will make each one just $2. My next deal is spend 15, get 7 back on Neutrogena Acne Care. Pick up 1 Neutrogena Acne patch priced at $14.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. We have a $3 digital coupon, and you pay $11.99, get 7 back, making it just $4.99. The next deal I have is buy 1 get $2 back on any Clearasil. Pick up 1 deep treatment wash priced at $8.29. Pay the $8.29 and get $2 back, making it $6.29. Dial hand soap is on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2 you get $3 back. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $3.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $2.39. These two will total $6.38. Pay that and get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back. It's a limit of 1, and that will make both hand soaps just $2.88 or $1.44 each. The next deal I have is on Pantene hairspray. They on sale for 2 for $11.90, and they are part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2. Check your app. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $9.90, get 3 back, making them $6.90 or $3.45 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. We have a new 3 off 2 digital coupon that you can use, and that will drop it down to $8.98 and you get 4 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is on the 29.2 ounce Aussie pumps. They are on sale for $7.99, and when you buy 2 you get $4 back. Pick up 2, that's 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, or you can mix or match however way you want. The 2 will total $15.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. My next deal is on Venus disposable razors. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. I have 3 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1. You have to pick whichever one that works for you. Pick up 2 Venus disposable razors priced at $8.59, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.30. The 2 will total $12.89. Check your app. We have 3 $3 off coupon that is attaching to it. Only 2 will apply and take off $6, and you pay $6.89, get 4 back, making them $2.89 or $1.45 each. If you did this deal last week and you only have 1 coupon left, pick up 1 Venus disposable razor and 1 Gillette shave foam. These 2 will total $10.54. Use the 3 off digital coupon for the Venus razor. That will drop it down to $7.54 and you get 4 back, making them $3.54 or $1.77 each. The third option I have for this deal is to pick up 2 satin care shave gel priced at $5.79. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.90. The 2 will total $8.69. Pay that and get $4 back, making them $4.69 or $2.35 each. If you did not do the Irish Spring and the Softsoap body wash deal last week, the coupons are still valid, so you can do them this week. They are on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, and I have 2 options for this deal depending on what you like. The first option is to pick up 2 Softsoap priced at $6.59 each. The 2 body washes will total $13.18. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon that works on the Irish Spring or the Softsoap. So if you're doing this deal, you have to pick one because we only have 1 coupon. After the $3.50 come off, you pay $9.68, get 4 back, and that will make them $5.68 or $2.84 each. If you prefer the Irish Spring, this will be your breakdown. Pick up 2 body washes priced at $7.49 each. Both will total $14.98. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.48, get 4 back, making them $7.48 or $3.74 each. The next deal I have is spend 25 get $5 bag. This deal is a limit of 1 per week, and I have 3 options for this deal, and they all have one thing in common, and that's the Downy Unstoppable Beads. So I'm going to repeat this product in each scenario. For the first option, pick up 2 6.9 ounce Downy Unstoppables on sale for $6.99 each, and 1 Gain Flames on sale for $13.49. These 3 items will total $27.47. Check your app. We have a $3.50 off Downy coupon, and on Coupon 24 app, you can use another $3.50 off for the second Downy, and use a $3 off Gain coupon on Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $10, and you pay $17.47, get 5 back, making them $12.47 or $4.16 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99 each, and 2 Downy Unstoppables on sale for $6.99 each. The 4 items will total $25.96. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Dawn, and 2 $3.50 off Downy coupon, 1 from the app and 1 from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $11, and you pay $14.96. Get 5 back, making them $9.96 or $2.49 each. The third option I have is to pick up 1 Febreze Touch Fabric Spray on sale for $5.99, and 1 Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99, and 2 Downy Unstoppables on sale for $6.99 each. The 4 items will total $26.96. Use a $3.50 off coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh from Coupon 24 app, a $2 off Febreze coupon from Coupon 24 app, and 2 $3.50 off Downy Unstoppable coupon, 1 from the app and 1 from Coupon 24 app. The 4 coupons will take off $12.50, and you pay $14.46 and get 5 back, making them $9.46 or $2.37 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $5 bag. Pick up 1 Cottonelle 9 Mega Rolls on sale for $9.99, and 1 Viva Seeds Big Rolls on sale for $9.99. The 2 will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20, so make sure your store follows the 98% rule. Use a $1 off Cottonelle digital coupon, and you pay $18.98, get 5 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.